You are going to love this vegan lemon olive oil cake. So first you're going to need some flour, and to this flour you're going to add some sugar. The sugar, it might seem a lot, but that's what makes the cake moist. Then you're going to add some baking powder, and you're just going to mix it until it's all incorporated, and you want to make sure to add plant milk at room temperature. Then you're going to add olive oil. This is what gives it that beautiful flavor and moistness, and then the lemon juice, of course, be generous, and lemon zest. Mix it all together until it's all incorporated, and then you're going to add this to a loaf pan, and you're going to pour it in there, and you're going to bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour. Yeah, you'll have to wait for it. Then once it's out, the waiting is not over. You have to let it cool completely, because then you can either serve with powdered sugar or you can make an icing, which I highly recommend, which you add powdered sugar and some lemon juice until it's all runny like this, and then you just pour it on there, and then look at that. It looks beautiful. If you love lemon loaf, you need to try this recipe.